Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show and tell how to hide the list of subscribers in Instagram. Please watch the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Like it. Let's get started. To do this, we're gonna need to go to Instagram. And then, if we want to hide the list of all the followers that we have, we're gonna go to the top right corner of our profile and click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and find the privacy account. And if your account is going to be public, you have to close it. Click on Close Account. Click on Switch to Private. And after that, the person who will come to your profile, he will not be able to click neither on subscriptions nor on likes, will not be able to view your posts, to put a like, and so on. That is, we can hide the list of subscribers in Instagram in such a simple way. And the second way is we can find just any person, and so that they don't look at our followers. We just click the three dots on their profile and click block, and block that person. Those are two simple ways to do it. But if you help them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Like it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.